The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northeastern Shenandoah County in Northwestern Virginia, Frederick County in Northwestern Virginia, Northwestern Warren County in Northwestern Virginia, Northwestern Clarke County in Northwestern Virginia, the city of Winchester in Northwestern Virginia, Northeastern Hardy County in eastern West Virginia, South Central Berkeley County in the Panhandle of West Virginia, Southeastern Hampshire County in eastern West Virginia, until 1:45 p.m. At 1:05 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles southeast of Romney to 8 miles northeast of Matthias, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Winchester, Strasburg, Millwood Pike, Stephen City, Wardensville, Star Tannery, Middletown, Moortown, Capon Bridge, Toms Brook, Yellow Spring, Highview, Cedar Grove, Clear Brook, Stevenson, Perry, Lost River, Delray, Cross Junction and Baker. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. The National